Hey guys, Huju here. Today we're going to fly the Inductrix FPV. I just bought this thing. It's the middle of winter and I needed some indoor activity time and something I can also use outdoors around the immediate household area, like on the deck or in the driveway in the yard. Something to play around with, not a big money investment, just to have a little fun with when you don't have time to pack everything up and go to the airfield with the big airplanes, or it's winter time and you can't go to the airfield with the airplanes, or just bad weather. You can play inside. So I got this kit. It's an all-in-one kit. Comes with the monitor, comes with the controller. It's really a Spectrum system, and I don't have a Spectrum transmitter. I have a Tactic. So I use this controller here, which is good. Comes, of course, with the Inductrix. This is not the stock base. The stock base is right here. Stock base has a tendency, the stiffeners in the shrouds tend to crack, and you have to keep gluing them and repairing them. This one here has a lot more give and it's beefier. It can bounce off things and not have to worry about it breaking. Over here you see I got 4 batteries instead of, it comes with one battery, a 200 milliamp battery. I went and bought 4 250 milliamp batteries so I can have a little bit more flying. What we're going to do is we're going to fly around the basement here. Now that I've gotten the hang of flying this thing, my basement's set up with a kind of an island in the middle. It's because I have stairs that go up through the center of the basement into the upstairs, and I got racks along the stairway, so I have a nice little wide pattern all the way around. Key I found going up the stairs is to keep moving and not do that. Keep it going. Up into the kitchen. Come on, get up. Get myself into the living room through the window. There we go. This is the living room. Up in here. She's pretty weak for some reason, but we'll see. I'll go land on the couch. We're going to go down the hall into my bedroom. Idea is to keep it off the hall takes a little joggle here. There we go. Into the bedroom. I'm looking around. One thing you want to always do, every morning, make your bed. You never know when you're going to have somebody stop by and have the first impression of you by looking at your house. Or first impression of you by your video. My computer room. Get past all this. There we go. Into the computer room. Turn around. Go back out. It's never good to have to make an excuse as to why your house doesn't look good when somebody stops by. Back through the living room, back to where I'm at, through the window, into the kitchen, back around, through the door. There we go. And we'll land her on the couch. I like landing on soft things because it'll make the unit last longer. So we're going to approach the couch and land right on that. Perfect. Come on, get some altitude going. There we go. Back through the living room, through the divider window, over my head. Whoop, come on. Oh, let's see if we can go down to the basement. There we go. We'll go around once down there. Down into the basement. Turning around. Back out towards the wood pile. Take a look at my RC model rack. That's where I keep all my airplanes. Back and land on the table. Maybe we can go down below and then underneath the table and turn around and land on the table. Coming in for an approach, coming in for an approach, start to settle. Perfect.